Ka Sorkar jela kalashim ya karai ban siu pendap no ya karam ke basan spa andru pesan klur tingka ka badang bensa sya ka National Thermal Power Corporation NTPC da ka basio haki arpo sin siu installment. Ya kani kajing terwa jong katunat bording la menjur da kajing alang jong ka kinhun menteri hapo kajing alam u menteri rangba kajela u konrad ki sang ma kabalong ha ka khat pratarik risau. Habaya keren bat kilat pas hai kubor hadirin balawai ka jingalang, u menteri u bakmi ya ketenat boarding u 80 mondal, ulaong bak ketenat kala beteng ya ka jinga keren bat ke NTPC, hadirin bakaladon ka jingkiu jong ka pisa ka bakat sya ka tingkah ndrus pa ndrupusan klur, ka basa teng bat siu bat lada ailat bakani kan beteng, kum taru kani kan kenjo, sya ka tingkah 1000 klur, bat kaban wanra jing ka bakrau ya ka Meghalaya Power Distribution Corporation Limited MEPDCL Meghalaya Energy Corporation Limited MEECL bat ya ka Sorkar jela. Hadian ka jinga keren berhadian ka jinga lang bakha kha na kaliang ka jongki NTPC kila menjur bamenta ngila ban siu syaki tingka san spa andru pusan klur ha ka jaka jong kan ndru spa andru pusau la ni ndru spa andru pusan klur. Kumta ngila snosting ha kabayadei bat katei ka benta, handreya katei ka pisah ha bansiu lingba ka installment, ne bansiu pendap kandiat hadu arpo sin ong umandal, bat benrap ba ka NTPC kala menjur ban map no tingka shis paklur, bat menta kadon kalat ban penher ya ka sudru kumju.
The NTPC dues that has been accumulated from that time, there was an agreement in the year 2007. Most of you are aware about that. So these dues accumulated for quite a long time, and it was almost, 488 crore. Then MEPDCL has availed Atmo Nirbhar loan, Bharat loan, and 50% of the dues were that time paid back to NTPC. But by the meantime, we had some different ideas also, because NTPC was, we felt that they were charging quite high to the tune of fixed charges and all these things. And we approached them for reduction in interest and these fixed charges and all these things. Ultimately, it did not materialize. After that, we have even moved to the court of law. But then, as this agreement was executed in the letter and spirit, even court has not given a favorable verdict in favor of us. By the meantime, what happened that 244 crores with fixed charges and then late payment charges and all these things, including penalties and all these things, has become around 665 crore approximately. So we thought that if this continues like that, very soon it will touch maybe 1,000 crore and create a burden for the MEPDCL vis-a-vis MECL and also to the state government. So accordingly, we have now moved with NTPC for negotiation, and after the negotiation and frequent meetings with them, they agreed that now we can pay them 565 crores instead of 664 or 65 crores. So we got a relief from that point of view, but then this amount should be paid in installments, around 20 installments. So we are still continuing with that thing, but the thing is that where from this fund will come? Should we go for additional loan or something like that? As all of you are aware that MECL is not in sound condition as far as financial aspect is concerned. That's why we approached the state government, and it has been decided today that this amount of 565 crore will be paid back to them. And we are still negotiating, and NTPC is open-minded that whether this will have to be returned within this 20 installments, or we can have some relaxation as per the installment are concerned, so that our monthly burden is also, or installment burden also reduces. So they wanted that once the cabinet decides, then they will give that scope. So it may go to 30, or will push something more also, so that there is no more interest part on that, and we clear these dues from NTPC and get clean as per NTPC dues are concerned. Because you could see that earlier it was 444 crore. From there we have paid already 488 crore. From there we have already paid 244 crore, and remaining 244 crore now became 664 crore. So it will continue up and up, and then thereby putting us into financial crisis also. And cabinet has been kind enough to agree to this proposal of power department. As I told you that the amount was quite high, and the per unit tariff was also, because that has been fixed by CRC as per the agreement, that was quite on high side. So in between, government decided to surrender this power, and this power were diverted to Tamil Nadu, around 53 megawatts, and 35.35 megawatts to Uttarakhand. Now you must be seeing that last year we were facing a lot of power crisis also, and rate of some other utilities are also quite higher side. Then we decided that why not we take back this power which has been given to some other states. And accordingly, this year on 3rd June, we got back that 55 megawatts of power from Tamil Nadu. And we are planning that by next April, the term of agreement with Uttarakhand will also expire, and we'll try to get that 35.35 megawatt from Uttarakhand also. This will help us to provide a mix of thermal and hydel power, because in lean season we were facing the problem because of not having much hydel power project. We are thermal power project, though we are getting from OTPC and then NIPCO, but that was not sufficient. So we expect that this will also help in next lean season also.